Okay, so ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಯಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Even today we will solve one question on circle arrangement. Okay, yesterday only one question we did, correct? So today we'll do one more question on circle arrangement. Okay, so I'll give the question here. So e question alli alphabets alla, they have used names. Okay, so I'll just give the names. So the question, it is 6 friends. Okay, 6 friends are sitting in a circle and facing the center of the circle. Facing the center. Okay, so facing the center andre I explained you all yesterday, correct? Facing the center andre all 6 people are sitting inwards. Okay, you can see each other. Okay, facing the center andre eno artha aita? Everyone, do you know what it means? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so simple. This is the first line. 6 friends. There are 6 friends sitting in a circle facing the center. Okay, now the statements, one by one I'll give the statements. First statement is, so first only 6 people, the 6 people names are Deepa, Pankaj, Mukesh, Preeti, Lalit and Prakash. Okay, so 6 people names ide. So we will start with the statements. First statement is, Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Second one, Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Okay, and third statement is, Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. Okay, Ashte, this is the passage. Now using this e-passage in the, I think they have asked 4 questions, correct? E-passage in the 4 MCQ questions are asked. Okay, so first illi 6 people yaru anta we will write down the names separately. Okay, so it is Prakash, Deepa, Pankaj, sorry, the G alla, this is J. Okay, this is Pankaj, J, Preeti, Mukesh and Lalit. So 6 names aitalva, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 people, 6 names are done. So first MCQ questions, I told you 4 questions are asked. So other questions, before doing questions, first arrangement enu adu find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so we will first find out the arrangement here. Okay, so first step, draw one circle. Circle arrangement allide, so draw one circle. Okay, and now 6 people, so 6 places mark ಮಾಡಿ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 places are done. Now let us give the numbers. Position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 positions are done. Now we will start with the statements. Okay, so it is given Deepa is between Prakash and Pankaj. Andre enu? Now I'll tell you. Suppose 3 places idre, order how it should be there. Illi Prakash, illi Pankaj andre, between these two Deepa has to sit. Okay, but e position alli Pankaj, Deepa, Prakash, both the possibilities are correct alva. Is order illi order idya andre which side Prakash should sit, which side Pankaj should sit, adu order idya question alli?
No, ma'am.
Order is not there, so in that case ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What did I tell you? What should we do? Order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what did I say? Order illa andre what should we do? If order is not given, write down both the possibilities. Okay, both the possibilities bari you should write down, and then other conditions check ಮಾಡಿ, because when you check other conditions avaga there is a chance one possibility will become wrong. Okay, so but idu elli baribeku we don't know. Position numbers are not given, we can start anywhere. Okay, so first I will take the first possibility. I will write Prakash here. So illi in position 3 Pankaj. So now tell me, Deepa will come in which position? Position number
2.
So here Deepa. Okay, now first possibility I wrote down. Second possibility, the position of Deepa, now it is fixed. Alva, position of Deepa won't change. Only Prakash and Pankaj interchange. There is a chance it can get interchanged. So we will just write it here. Okay, Pankaj and Prakash. Okay, because Deepa's position as it is same irutte, adu enu affect agalla. Correct, only these two positions interchange, it can interchange, because illi question alli order kottilla. Which side is Prakash sitting to left side or Pankaj is sitting to left side, atara left and right enu it is not given. Only condition enu, first condition, Deepa should sit between Prakash and Pankaj. Okay, left side of Deepa who is sitting, right side of Deepa who is sitting, adu it is not given in the question, so even we are not writing it now. Okay, that's why both the possibilities we are writing. Okay, so first statement is done. Now come to the second statement. What is it given? Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Same thing. Illi eno, now if Mukesh is sitting here, Lalit is sitting here, then Preeti should sit here. Idu order. Okay, again Mukesh and Lalit, order is it given here? Who is sitting in which place? Illi order idya question alli?
No, ma'am.
So Preeti's place is fixed. Preeti should be between Mukesh and Lalit. Okay, so adu Preeti place is fixed. Lalit and Mukesh can get interchanged. Lalit can come here, Mukesh can come here. So again, even here two possibilities are there. So ivaga nodi 3 positions already fix aitu. Position 1, 2, 3, order whatever it is, but 1, 2, 3 is fixed for Prakash, Deepa and Pankaj. Correct? Ivaga 1, 2, 3 place alli these 3 people cannot sit. Okay, 1, 2, 3 place we have given it for Prakash, Deepa and Pankaj. So remaining how many places are left?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. So 3 places are left. So illi 3 people are only there, 1, 2, 3. So ee 3 people na ee 4, 5, 6 places alli arrange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so again arrangement illi order ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, who has to sit where, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ it is not given. So 1 minute. ಇವಾಗ second statement is this one. Correct, ಇದು order. This order is about second statement. Third statement ನೋಡಿ, what is it? It is given Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. Okay, now tell me, ivaga if you take first illi first possibility consider ಮಾಡಿ, just take the first possibility Prakash, Deepa, Pankaj. Okay, e possibility e order consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in which position should Mukesh sit? Third statement, what is it saying? It is saying Prakash and Mukesh are opposite to each other. So where should Mukesh sit? Correct.
Fourth place.
Yes, fourth place. So we will write Mukesh here. Considering this one, okay, E order consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, not the inside order, because any one order choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು to proceed further in the question. Solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ any one order you have to take. So ನಾನು let us take the outside order and try. Okay, so now opposite Prakash, Mukesh is sitting. Now tell me, now go back to the second statement. What is second statement? Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. So now tell me, very simple, tell me fifth position only who will sit, sixth position only who will sit.
Fifth position Preeti and sixth position Lalit.
Very good. Fifth position only Preeti, sixth position only Lalit will sit. That's correct. Why? Because second statement only what is given? Preeti is between Mukesh and Lalit. Okay, andre Mukesh and Lalit are sitting. Between those two, Preeti should be there. Andre Mukesh and Lalit side by side, they will not sit. Okay, between those two, Preeti is sitting. So that's why this we have this order. Artha aita, did you all understand? That's it. Now we have the order. Idu, let us not consider this. We have considered the outside possibility because questionally it is not given order. Okay, you can take anything. Ivaga, suppose you take this order. Andre, if you take Pankaj, Deepa and Prakash, even then nimge correct answer barutte. Why? Because third statement Prakash and Mukesh are sitting opposite to each other. So Prakash first place only if he is sitting, or third place, for fourth place, sixth place, wherever he is sitting, opposite to Prakash, Mukesh is sitting. Am I correct? So Prakash and Mukesh opposite irbeku. And other people arrangement is based on statement 1 and 2. Correct. So ನೀವು ಈ inside possibility consider ಮಾಡಿ or the outside possibility, you will still get the same answer. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have taken outside possibility. So I'll remove this. Okay, I'll remove this. Now we have our order. Okay, our order is ready. So now we will start solving the questions. Okay, first question is, who is sitting to the right of Prakash?
Lalit.
Sitting to the right of Prakash. Yes, who is it? Who is sitting?
Six.
Yes, six.
Lalit.
Lalit, correct. Why? Because you should be careful here. All people, they are facing inside towards the center of circle, face agidare everyone. So if Prakash is facing towards the center, this is the right side of Prakash and this is the left side of Prakash. Correct? Because Prakash is facing like this, he is sitting towards this side. So towards this side, Andre, this is Prakash left side, this is Prakash right side. So to the right side of Prakash, who is sitting? Lalit is sitting. Understood? First question ellargu artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next question is, who is sitting just to the right of Pankaj?
Deepa.
Correct.
Deepa.
So Pankaj is facing like this. This is left side for Pankaj. This is right side. So right side of Pankaj is Deepa. So that is correct. Next. Next question is, who are the neighbors of Mukesh? Two names.
Mukesh.
Pankaj and Preeti.
Can you repeat?
Pankaj and
Preeti, correct. Pankaj and Preeti, neighbors andre just side by side, who is sitting. So to Mukesh, who is sitting side by side, andre left side and right side, who is sitting, those two people, neighbors. Okay, they are called neighbors. So for Mukesh, who is sitting to the left side of Mukesh?
Preeti.
This is left side. Who is sitting to the right side? Pankaj. So Preeti and Pankaj, these two people are neighbors of Mukesh. Okay, neighbors andre artha aita, just side by side, andre left side and right side, who is sitting, that will be the answer for neighbors. Okay, so now coming to the last question for this passage. Who is sitting opposite to Preeti?
Deepa.
Deepa.
Opposite to Preeti and this position 2, Deepa is sitting. Artha aita, did everyone understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. One last question I'll do. Idu simple straight line question. Circle ellargu artha aita. Any doubt with circle arrangement?
No, ma'am.
We'll do one last question. So here the question is 5 girls are sitting on a bench. Okay. 5 girls are Yeah, 5 girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed. Okay, andre 5 girls, one bench alli they are sitting and their photo is taken. Okay, 5 girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed. Photographed andre their photo is taken. They're sitting on a bench and someone is taking their photo. Okay, now statements are given. First statement is Seema is to the left of Rani. Seema is to the left of Rani and to the right of Bindu. Okay, this is first statement. Second statement, Mary is to the right of Rani. Mary is to the right of Rani. Next, third statement is Rita is between Rani and Mary. That's it. Statement, only 3 statements. So first only 5 girls who they are, let the names make a note of it. Okay, so Seema, Rani, Bindu, Mary and Rita. So I think 5 girls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, 5 girls are there. So based on this, Idu passage, based on this, I think 3 or 4 questions are asked. Okay. So first, same thing. What should we do? First, order enu line alli in what order they are all sitting. Adu order find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first step, what is it? Illi it is given 5 girls are sitting on a bench. So on a bench andre obviously it is a straight line. So first make a note of 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 positions. Let's give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now let us start. It is given Seema is to the left of Rani and right of Bindu. Now if Rani is sitting here, okay, 2 positions. E 2 positions alli 1 and 2. Where is Seema sitting? Seema should be in position 1 or 2?
1.
1, because position 1 is the left of Rani, correct? So Seema will sit here. Okay, that's the first statement. Illi nodi, Seema is to the left of Rani and right of Bindu. Now if Bindu is sitting here, again 2 positions, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now tell me, where is Seema sitting?
2.
2. Correct. So Seema is in position 2. Okay. So first alli nodi, Seema is to the left of Rani. So this is left of Rani. Next, and to the right of Bindu. Andre this one. So now ivaga combine these two. Idu eradu combine madidre namge order. How will we get the order? First Bindu is sitting, then Seema is sitting, then Rani is sitting. Now check ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು both ಇದೆರಡು combine ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will we get this or not? Check and tell me. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? How did I write it? ಇವಾಗ first see, Seemaಗೆ left side of Rani, Seema is sitting. Right side of Bindu, Seema is sitting. Both combinations alli, which name is common?
Seema.
Seema is common. So ivaga first write down Seema's name. Okay, I'll erase and write it again. Wait, I'll explain. So both combination alli Seema's name is common. So first write down Seema's name. Now tell me, both combinations check ಮಾಡಿ. Tell me who is sitting to the left side of Seema? Left side of Seema.
Bindu.
Yes. Who is sitting to the right side of Seema?
Rani.
Correct. So that's it. Idu one order bantu namge. For 3 girls, we know the order: Bindu, Seema, and Rani. So first statement ge order bantu, but don't write it down here because namge order gotaitu that Bindu, Seema, and Rani are sitting together. But which position 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 or 3, 4, 5? Adu innu gottilla. So don't write it here. Make a note. Side alli write down the order. First statement aitu. Now come to the second statement. What is it saying? Mary is to the right of Rani. 1 minute, I'll write down the names here separately. So Bindu, Seema, and Rani. This is the order we got. Second statement is saying Mary is sitting to the right of Rani. Illi nodi position 1 and 2. So in which position Mary is sitting?
2.
Yes. So andre illi beside Rani, here Mary will come. Am I correct? Because this is the right side of Rani. Artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Statement also over. Now it is given Rita is between Rani and Mary. By the way, illi Mary is to the right of Rani anta ide. Andre right side of Rani alli Mary is sitting. It is not given immediate right. Immediate right and right ge there is a difference. Okay. Now I can say Rani is to the right of Bindu. To the right of Bindu andre enu? If Bindu looks towards her right side, maybe not immediate right. Our next position or next to that position alli Rani is sitting to the right side of Bindu. Correct? Bindu right side alli nodidre she can find Rani. That is what right means. Immediate right andre enu? Seema. Immediate right of Bindu, who is sitting? Seema is sitting. But Rani and Mary, they are all to the right of Bindu. Okay. So second statement alli it is given Mary is to the right of Rani. So actually enu illi position 2 alli irbeku anta there is no rule. Immediate right anta idre then position 2 is correct. Okay. So illi just right anta ide andre enu it Mary can sit just beside Rani andre immediately here or in the next position. It is just that Rani ge right side alli Mary should be sitting. Okay. So Mary can come here also. Mary can come here also. Okay, idartha aita? Did you all understand this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Because such simple English words, they make a lot of difference. Okay, because question meaning change agatte if you such simple English words. So second statement is done. Second statement in the what did we understand? Mary can sit in this position or this position. 5 positions alli 3 positions are already over. Second statement, what is it saying? Mary is sitting to the right side of Rani. Andre right side of Rani, if 2 positions are there, Mary can sit here or here. What is the third statement? Rita is sitting between Rani and Mary. So Rani and Mary between alli some person should sit. Andre what does it mean? Rani and Mary cannot sit together. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is not possible. So now this possibility I will erase. So now Mary is sitting here. So who is sitting between Rani and Mary now? E positionally who is sitting?
Rita.
That's it. We have our sequence now. What is first position? Now tell me who is sitting in the first position?
Bindu.
1 minute. Yes, first position only Bindu is sitting. Second position?
Seema.
Okay. Third position?
Rani.
Okay. Fourth one?
Rita.
Okay, and fifth position finally?
Mary.
Mary, correct. So now 5 positions only, all 5 girls are seated. Now we'll take up the question. First question is, who is sitting to the immediate right of Rita? Immediate right. Mary, correct.
Mary.
Immediate right, Andre, this is immediate right. Who is sitting to the immediate left of Rita?
Rani.
Okay, so that is the one question. Next question is, who is in the middle of the photograph? Now, question only, what is it? 5 girls are sitting on the bench.
Rani.
Yes, Rani. So Rani is sitting in the middle. She's in the middle. Next, third question is, who is sitting to the second from the right? Second position from the right. Who is sitting? Second position from the right. Right side in the count. Second position. Who is sitting?
Seema.
Right side in the, not left side. See, left side Indra, this is first position, this is second position. Right
Rita.
side in the second position, Andre, this is first position, this is second position. So who is sitting? Second from right.
Rita.
Yeah, correct. Rita is sitting. So that's a question. You should read it carefully. Okay. So question only it is given second from the right. Andre, this is right side. So ill in the count positions. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4 and position 5. Idu enu counting from the right. Okay. This is counting from the left. So second position from the right only, who is sitting? Rita. Okay. Who is sitting in the fourth position from the right?
Seema.
Okay. Who is sitting in the fourth position from the left?
Rita.
Okay. Next, who is second from the left in the photograph?
Seema.
Seema. Correct. Simple. That's it. Very simple. So questions either irutte. Only thing is, ನೀವು ಈ statements read it very carefully and then form the sequence. Okay. So as I said, simple English words, they make a lot of difference. Just right and immediate right, there is a lot of difference. Correct. So atara just read the questions carefully and get the sequence. ನಿಮಗೆ once ಇದು seating arrangement correct ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ obviously questions are very easy. Questions ನೀವು just ಇದು sequence ನೋಡಿ, you should just answer the questions. Okay, so only getting the sequence is important. After that, passage questions will be very easy. Okay, so only trick here is statements, read it properly. Directly illi don't write down the sequence directly. Okay, first itara now how I taught you, separate agi write down the sequence. Ivaga first statement ge what is the sequence, second statement ge what is the sequence. So both the sequences early, if you find a common name, then you can join both the sequences. Okay, so atara step by step if you do it, you will get the final sequence. Okay, so any doubt in this? Because the next class I will start new topic. So any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay then, that's it for today. Let's meet in the next class.